Yamaha Arius YDP-145, the second-best digital piano on the 2024 market. Positioned as a more accessible alternative to Yamaha's premium Clavinova series, the Arius line is perfect for educators, learners, or anyone seeking a space-efficient, high-quality digital piano without a hefty price tag. Following the well-received Arius YDP-144, the YDP-145 offers exceptional value as one of the two full-size models in this series. The appeal of the Arius series lies in its remarkable emulation of the Yamaha CFX Concert grand piano sound, paired with a responsive graded hammer standard keyboard. While it lacks Bluetooth connectivity and offers a modest selection of 10 sounds, the YDP-145 includes all the necessary features. These include an elegant sliding wooden cover for the keyboard, a foldable music rest, dual headphone outputs, and a trio of pedals, all housed within stylish cabinets available in white, rosewood, or black finishes. The YDP-145 excels in delivering the genuine piano playing experience Yamaha is known for. It seamlessly blends into any home decor with its classic acoustic piano appearance while incorporating modern digital functionalities. The weighted keys offer a nuanced touch reminiscent of Yamaha's acoustic pianos, further enhanced by the virtual resonance modeling technology. This innovative feature simulates the acoustic properties of the soundboard, rim and frame, closely mimicking the resonance and feel of a traditional piano. Moreover, the inclusion of soft, una corda, sostentuo, and damper sustaining pedals adds another layer of realism, providing essential control and expression similar to that of an acoustic instrument. Quality stuff.